ADC Chongmare Dr. Khaina Nangnai Kanchanpur Bakhastini Panishagar Amchayo Tiprasa Fireman Vishwajit Debormano Buthanai Rongno Rome Kurak Nislai Kurak Mazana Nangnai Overhead Hamunote INPT Central Committee ni Dagi Mumbai Memorandum Summit Khlaikya Telamira Division IPFT Bodolni Bakhakti Mungia Kami RD blog ni video Joydeep Debormani Thane Memorandum Romanote INPT Bodolni AGS Ranjit Kumar Deborma Shaka ADC Chongmare Takti Ma Khlainai Te Kanchanpur Bakhastini Panishagar Amchayo Nagrik Surakcha Moncho te Miju Convention by Bui Buthajangai Vishwajit Debormano Justice Marunai Bono Buthanai Rongno Dakti Rome Kurak Mazra Marunai.
We, the Divisional Committee of INPT, have submitted a memorandum to the Governor of Tripura as per decisions of our Central Committee through BTU, Mungia Kami block. So, we submitted the memorandum on the issue of ADC election because the government is not taking election in due time, so that we INPT demand ADC election should be taken in time before the tenure date, so that we submitted a memorandum here today through BDU to the Governor of Tripura. And secondly, we have observed that the Kanchanpur Nagorik Moncho and Miju Convention jointly movements against the rehabilitation of Bru people who displaced from Mizoram. So we oppose their movement because they are moved illegally, because this movement created the unrest situation of Kanchanpur. And last 21st November, we have seen that late Vishwajit Deborma is brutally murdered by that Nagorik Moncho and Miju Convention movement on Panishagar. That is why we demand to the government that culprits should be arrested immediately. Otherwise, the situation will go very unrest in the Kanchanpur subdivision. Not only Kanchanpur subdivision, all over Tripura, it will affect amongst the people between Bengali and Triprasa people. So we request to the government through this deputation, through this memorandum, that the situation should be taken immediately. Okay, thank you.
Tiprasa Fireman Vishwajit Debormano Buthanai Rongno Rome Kurak Mazra Ria Hanke Financial Kuninto Fani Bishing Tumplai Mano Hune Ragdama Clay Hapano Shaka INPT Bodolni AGS Ranjit Kumar Deborma